Now that you've got your website hosting set up, it's time to install WordPress. Like I mentioned in the last video, I recommend using WordPress for your personal website. It's a platform focused on helping you publish content, and your content is the most important part of your personal website. So once you log into your Siteground account, click on Set Up Site. Then where it says Start New Website, click on the Select button. Then select WordPress. Type in your login details. Make sure you don't forget these because this is how you log in to access your website. Then click on Continue. And don't add the SG Site Scanner because there are WordPress plugins that you can install for free that do the exact same thing. So just click on Finish. Give it 2 minutes to load here. All done. You just installed WordPress for your personal website. In the next step, I'll walk you through this step, pointing your domain. Don't worry if that sounds complicated, it's super easy.